Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It's about 9:15 Wednesday morning, May 3rd. I'm at Clam Pass in North Naples, Florida. I'm on the north side of Clam Pass Park over there. To the south. Kind of messy up here. A lot of red drift algae in the water. The south side looks worse than the north side. It doesn't look bad over in the park, but here at the south end of Pelican Bay Beach, pretty nasty looking down here in the water. The tide's coming in, so it's bringing some more red drift algae up onto the beach. They've got a tractor here raking it up the best it can. Sun's peeking in and out from behind the clouds. Bit of a breeze. I'm guessing it's about 78 right now. We're going to get up to 85. The water temperature, about 80. Still a mess down here from the hurricane. Used to not be able to see back into here. The vegetation was so thick. Not now. Gorgeous sky. Gorgeous blue and puffy white clouds. Hit that share button if you're enjoying the view. Just me and Mother Nature and our John Deere tractor off in the distance. You can hear some ospreys chirping away. You can see the algae in the water, the discoloration there. You can see it clear as you look across the channel there. Doing a pretty good job of picking it up. It's been a little while since we've been down here, so I wanted to give you a look at it. Let you see what's going on. The clubhouse down here at Pelican Bay, that's not open. I believe they have their chairs out here, but the restaurant's not open. It's going to be a while before that reopens. It's been a long walk down here this morning. We started up at Vanderbilt Beach. It was quite a walk. The birds coming in here. Disturb them. All right, there's your look at Clam Pass. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, hit that share button. Tell your friends about Southwest Florida Television. Join me live in the mornings for my beach walks. Great way to start your day. Also a great way to meet some nice people. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. God bless.